go now. My name is Colonel Bill Ross with the Maine State Police. Law enforcement officer on scene located an 8-year-old child fatally shot in the back seat of the vehicle. This death is not associated with the officer's use of deadly force. I want to stress this right now, that the child's death is not associated with the police officer's use of deadly force today. We have information that is not the case. I just want to make sure that everyone's clear on that moving forward. Going investigation, so we're going to get you as much information as we can right now. But again, I want to stress, it's still an ongoing investigation, and we're not going to be able to. But based on information we saw, it was very clear that the officers that were involved in the shooting did not fire on that child. At approximately 2:07 a.m. on this date, August 29th, the York Police Department received a 911 call from a male stating that he'd been involved in a fight with his wife in the town of Troy, New Hampshire. During that call, he told authorities that his wife was dead. The New Hampshire State Police responded to the residence in Troy, New Hampshire, and located a deceased female. At approximately 2:30, Kittery police located the male's vehicle on the Piscataqua River Bridge, parked in the southbound lane in the state of Maine, right in the middle of the bridge. Law enforcement agencies from New Hampshire and Maine responded and tried to negotiate with the male. The bridge was shut down for several hours to protect the public, while the negotiations were attempted and the scene was secured. The Maine State negotiations were ultimately unsuccessful. The male then exited his vehicle, and at that time he raised a firearm. Maine State Trooper Craig Nielsen and 2 New Hampshire State Troopers responded with deadly force. The male subject was located deceased in the water below the bridge and was declared dead in the scene. He fell from the bridge. The child was found after the altercation with the male subject. They were not aware that the child was in the car at the time. The family. Father, husband, wife, and child.
Ben, can you speak? This for a guy.